Minsan, ang iniisip ng mga tao pag sinabing successful forex trading, ang unang pumapasok sa isip nila, merong malaking kita, rapid trades, at high-stake risk. But the truth is the mindset of a successful forex trader goes far beyond that. Ngayon, pag-usapan natin what truly sets apart those who thrive in the market from those who struggles. Ang mga successful traders, alam na ang forex trading ay hindi quick wins lagi, pero a consistent growth over time. Maraming pasensya talaga ang kailangan. Kaya ang mga nagsasucess sa field ng forex trading ay nag-aantay muna ng tamang setups, tamang signals, and they don't jump in on impulse. Pangalawa ay yung discipline. Ang mga successful traders ay sinusunod talaga ang kanilang mga trading plans na parang batas. Alam nila kung kailan papasok sa trades, and just as importantly, they know when to get out. Ang pagkakaroon ng disiplina ay nakakatulong sa mga traders na mag-stick sa kanilang mga strategies even when the market ay nakakatempt talaga at iba pa. Emotional control. Dito sa forex trading, dito mo talaga matitest ang emotional resilience mo. Bakit? Simply because yung iba na mga nagsasucess sa forex trading, they need to learn to keep their emotion in check. Kung takot man yan, o kaya greed, o kaya frustration, alam nila na ang trading in emotion is a fast track losses. By staying calm and collected, they make better, more rational decision. Learning mindset. Successful traders see every day as a learning experience. They are always analyzing their past trades, studying new trends, and keeping up with the global news that could impact the market. They know that no one ever truly masters forex. It's a constant process of improvement. Effective risk management, ito talaga yung nagsiseparate sa mga professionals at amateurs. Successful traders never risk more than they can afford to lose. Nagsiset sila ng stop loss, nagda-diversify sila ng trades, at namamanage nila ang capital nila ng maayos. Ang goal nila is protektahan ang kanilang assets muna at mag-grow ito habang nagtitrade sila. Patience, discipline, emotional control, a love for learning, and smart risk management. Ito yung mga katangian ng isang successful forex trader. Hindi lang ito about sa winning trades. It's about maintaining the mindset that allows for long-term success.